Hi guys, hope you are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the product that I finished up in the past 2 months, and I have all the empties here with me in this box, and I'm going to talk about each of them one by one, how I like them, whether I recommend them or not, or whether I'm going to purchase anything from the empties or not. So without wasting much time, let's just jump right into it. So I'll start with body care products. So first up we have the Scent Times body wash. This is their oatmeal and shea butter body wash. I really liked it. It was a huge bottle. This is 400 ml bottle and it was for $3.99 and it lasted me a really long time, I think about 2 months. And this is really good. It is very gentle, though it does have sulfate, but it was very soothing, very moisturizing, and I really liked it. It is like a thick cream and it lathered up really well. I liked it. I enjoyed this a lot. Whether I'm going to repurchase it or not, no, I'm not going to purchase it because I have shifted to bars, soap bars. And if you have watched my last haul video, you might have seen me showing a bar from Bioderma. So that's what I'm going to use. And then I have soap bars from Juicy Chemistry. And right now I'm staying at my mom's place. I'm going back this week. So when I'll go back, I'll show you what I will use or use alternatively, because I do have an AHA body soap bar from Juicy Chemistry. I'm pretty excited about that. So next up I have this Nivea body milk. This is for very dry skin, and this is 48 hours intensive moisture care with 2 times almond oil. This is my favorite and holy grail body lotion for winters. This is a huge bottle, 400 ml, but it lasted me 2.5-3 months, and this is worth each penny. I will highly recommend you guys if you are looking for a body moisturizer which is not too sticky but very hydrating, very moisturizing, then to give this one a shot. This might be my third or fourth bottle because I go through these bottles very quickly during winters or colder months, and you can also use it whenever your skin is feeling dry, even when the weather is a bit hot, because this is not very thick like a body butter, but very nice and moisturizing. I really love it and I highly recommend you guys to check it out. It's not that expensive as well. Nice, very convenient pump bottle. So I think it's a very good deal. Next up I have the Moms Co Natural Shampoo. This is a sulfate free shampoo and sulfate and silicone free shampoo. I have a conditioner as well. I'm about to empty it as well. So I like this shampoo. This is very mild, very gentle on your scalp. If you wash your hair every other day or every third day, then this is going to be really good option. Since this is SLS free shampoo, you might need more than your regular amount to get rid of oil or build up in your hair. What happens with me when I oil my hair, I generally use SLS based shampoo, because these shampoos are very mild and they do not take out oil from your hair, which is what happened with me today. That's why my hair, I tied up. I oiled my hair yesterday, and when I washed it today I still have so much oil in my hair, so which is something I do not like. So whenever I have not oiled my hair and I really want a very gentle shampoo, this is a really good option. This is my second time using this, but I am not going to buy it because I already have way too many shampoos with me, and I will finish those first and then buy a new one. The last item from body care is going to be this Requil Eto-Rep body lotion. This is again really good for people who have dermatitis or who have very dry itchy skin. What happened during winters, my skin become extremely dry, extremely itchy. Even I think in March the weather was very dry here in Delhi, though it was not cold, but the air was very dry. So no matter what amount of moisturizer I was putting on my body, it used to get vanished, and my body still felt really dry and itchy. That's when I bought this one. Everything that I've showed you so far has been purchased by me. So that's why I bought this one, but I'll be very honest, I did not find it very good, though it has very promising ingredients. I somehow did not find it very effective. This is an expensive product. I paid 600 rupees for 120 ml, which is quite a lot. That's when I thought instead of buying this one, I could have purchased my Bioderma Etoderm lotion, and that's what I did in my last haul, because that's my holy grail body lotion. Bioderma and this one, these two I love to bits. Both are really amazing. Now we are done with the body care products, and I'll move on to my face care products. So I have this gunky dusty bottle of Dermaweave Hydra Cleanser with natural colloidal oatmeal. So this has oatmeal, which means it is pretty good and suitable for dry skin types. I've used up the tube completely. This is very gentle cleanser, and it was just lying in my drawer. When I came to my mom's place, I dug it out and I started using it because, like I mentioned, my skin was very dry. I needed something that doesn't, strip off the moisture, and this is the one. So this is a really good face wash if you have dry skin, and this will last you a long time. I think this is 120 ml, and I'm not sure how much is it priced at. I'll link it in the description box. But this genuinely is one of the best face washes for dry skin. Even if you have mature skin, or if you are 30 plus, 35 plus, then probably you should start looking for hydrating cleansers and not something that strips off moisture. So I think this is a really good moisturizer. It doesn't have a fragrance. I believe it doesn't have a fragrance, and I will definitely repurchase it during winter. Again, like I mentioned, I am using some other products at the moment, and some of them are about to finish. So I'll let you guys know what I start using next month onwards. Right now I'm trying to finish up whatever I have because I have way too many products with me, I'll be very honest. So the next product is going to be my Olay Retinol Serum. I'll be honest, I was a little skeptical when I received it because my dermatologist told me that retinols generally make your skin really dry, and I did not want to add to the misery because I already have very dry skin. But when I received it during a campaign which I did with Olay somewhere around last year, I decided to give it a shot. This is one of the best retinol based serums for beginners out there in the market. This is so gentle. I used it thrice a week, every alternate day, and it worked amazingly. I definitely saw so much improvement in the texture of my skin. I do not have deeper wrinkles or fine lines as such, but yes, it definitely did work on improving the texture of my skin. My skin looked smoother than before, and it definitely looked much glowy. And I really like the fact that this bottle lasted me 3 months, because with retinol less is more. You do not need a full pump of retinol for your face, but yes, you need half a pump, which is more than enough for your face and neck, and I really enjoyed it. I will not buy it because I'm thinking of shifting to a different retinol based product. I was using Dr. Sheth's retinol, but I find it pretty heavy. The texture of the product is very heavy on the skin, though it has some really good and promising ingredients, like it has bakuchi oil and it has rosehip oil, which makes it pretty nice for beginners. I'm still not sure because it makes me really sweaty when I apply it on my skin. So I will see what I find and I'll keep you guys posted. I think Eclat has good retinol, and Minimalist has good retinol, if I'm not wrong. And this is again a really good choice if you want to start retinol and you do not know where to start with. This is a really brilliant product, and this will not even irritate your skin because my skin is dry press sensitive, which is the worst case. So this is going to work for you really well. I think retinol and vitamin C are two active that you should have in your skincare routine. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in watching a video on my skincare routine, which is going to be a 30 plus skincare guide. I'm not using too many products, but whatever I'm using, I can give you guys a glimpse of it. I'm not a skilled or a professional, but whatever I have used and seen difference, I will definitely like to recommend you guys as well. So let me know if you are interested in watching an anti-aging or a skincare routine for people with 30 plus. Now the third skincare product I have right here is this oat face milk from Fourth Ray Colourpop. During drier months, this saved my face. This is a hybrid. It's not a moisturizer, it's not a serum, it's somewhere in between, and the texture of this product is really amazing. It felt so soothing on the face. It doesn't have a fragrance, comes with a dropper. I have a very tiny bit, like a drop of it left here. I've used the entire bottle of it. It was a blessing for my skin. Unfortunately, Colourpop ships to India, but the customs and all make it really difficult. This was sent by the PR, so I've used it up and I really enjoyed it. Not all the products work for me from Fourth Ray. Their vitamin C made my skin itchy, but this one worked like magic. I really love it. I would love to buy it again during winters if I get a chance. Next product is this Chia Seed Hydro Creme from the Face Shop. Used it up completely. This is a brilliant product for people with combination to oily skin. Right now the weather here in Delhi is pretty humid. You do not want anything too heavy, especially if you are layering products. So I layer vitamin C serum in the morning, then I go for moisturizer. So I want the moisturizer to be pretty thin pretty lightweight. That's when this one came in picture. I really enjoyed it. It smells so nice. It feels very soothing on the skin, and it's a brilliant product for people who have oily skin, who are looking for very lightweight products. This is going to work like magic for them. I will highly recommend you guys to check this out if you are looking for a product, a moisturizer to be used during warmer months. This is a really good product. Then I have a serum here which is my current favorite. This is Amla VC Vitamin C Serum from Dr. Sheth, and I already have bought a backup. This is the one I finished up, and this is the repurchase. In fact, this one was also purchased by me, and this I purchased during the 35% off sale. This serum is one of the best vitamin C serums I have tried in Indian market so far. I have already used it so much that in the new bottle I have only this much left. So I might need another one, but I'm not going to repurchase this one because I'm really interested in trying out face serum that was sent to me by a brand called Radha Beauty. It's a US based brand, and they sent it to me. Now I'm staying at my mom's place and I've gone through 2 bottles already. So you can imagine that one bottle lasts you around 1.5 months. This is such a brilliant vitamin C formulation. This has 20% vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, 1% sodium hyaluronate, 0.5% ferulic acid, and amla extract. So hyaluronic acid makes your skin really soft and smooth. It just the vitamin C serum and the ferulic acid, the combination here is so beautiful. The ingredients list here is so potent that your skin feels so glowy, so soft, so nourished. And if you use it regularly, you will definitely see a glow on your skin. You can use it on your damp face or dry face. It's your choice. It's 20% vitamin C. My skin is accustomed to vitamin C. I have been using vitamin C serum for the past 4 years now, and then that's the reason why I can use 20% strength. But if you are new, start with 5% or 10%. And this is a really good, brilliant product. Wait for sales from Dr. Sheth. They always come up with brilliant sales right now. I think I have purchased 2 more products from Dr. Sheth. Cica and Ceramide Serum, which is a repurchase, my 3rd bottle, and their Haldi Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. I used it before. I did not enjoy it much, but I have been hearing so much about that product that I thought, let me buy it again. They were having a buy one get one free sale, which was brilliant. I only paid for Cica Ceramide Serum and I got the sleeping mask for free. So you can subscribe to their newsletters or follow me on Instagram because I keep on posting such deals in my on my Instagram stories. Then the last product from the body care, skincare, haircare product category is this onion pepper hair oil from Indulgio. This was sent to me by the brand. This is Gain Again by Indulgio. This is meant to promote hair growth. So if you are facing hair fall issues, if you are facing like balding issues, thinning of your hairline or receding hairline, then you can give this a shot. I used it when I initially came here to my mom's place. I used it for good 1 to 1.5 months. It is a thick oil. It smells like it doesn't smell like onion, like it doesn't have that bad smell, but it does smell a little bit like peppers. It actually worked on my scalp. I was so impressed. There was so much growth around my hairline, and which was because of this oil. Because right now here at my mom's place, I do not have too many products. Whatever I brought with me, I just use those up. So this is a really beautiful product. I will definitely repurchase it. The last product is from makeup category. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Face Primer. I think this has gone bad or something because it has separated in the bottle. No matter how much I shake it, it just doesn't mix well. And when I take it out on my hand, the oil and the product separate. It doesn't look good. That's why I'm just throwing it away. But I really love this primer. You might think that I have not used it much, but if you watch my Instagram videos, this is a product that I used consistently because this is such a brilliant product for dry skin. It gives you such a beautiful, nice, hydrated, moisturized and glowy base without adding any glitter. If you have access to Colourpop, do try this primer. If your skin is very dry, dehydrated, then this is going to work wonders. So with this, my empties stash is done. If you find such videos helpful, do not forget to give this video a like. And if you're watching me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. And yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.